In the words of John Maxwell, the pessimist complains about the wind. The optimist expects it to change. The leader adjusts the sail. A great leader knows how to translate vision into reality, even when it seems like a distant dream. A great leader instills in their people a hope for success and a belief in themselves. An extraordinary leader empowers people to accomplish their goals by leading from the front.
A very good morning to respected Principal Ma'am, Mrs. Moushami Mohapatro, and dear parents. We welcome you to the investiture ceremony of Ruby Park Public School, the first formal event of the academic session 2024-25, and we feel proud to induct the new body of student council members. God is light, and in him there is no darkness. Let us humbly bow our head in supplication and seek the blessings of the Almighty by lighting the inaugural lamp with the school choir invoking God's mercy at this opportune moment. May I request respected Principal Ma'am to kindly light the inaugural lamp. May I also request Rituparna Mukherjee Ma'am, CCA Coordinator, and Amrita Chaudhary Ma'am, ADMI Coordinator, to join. Ma'am, please.
indeed a marvelous performance. Music is the language which is understood and appreciated by everyone. Dear parents, we are extremely delighted at this special occasion where the members of the Student Council are all geared up to take the charge of their responsibility. It is a proud moment for you and all of us to watch them flourish into humane and responsible citizens of the nation. The members of the council have proven themselves to be an esteemed asset for the school. Investiture ceremony is a solemn occasion in which the confidence and reliance of a school is invested in the newly elected post holders. New leaders are vested with responsibility and powers during this ceremony. Being a member of the Student Council provides them with the opportunity to hone their leadership and social skills. We are hopeful and believe in their true potential with which the school will progress with leaps and bounds. May we now request Principal Ma'am to address the August gathering. Ma'am, please.
A very good morning to everyone present here. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all on behalf of the management, faculty, and our students of Ruby Park Public School on this auspicious occasion of the investiture ceremony for the session 2024-25. This day stands out as an extraordinary day in the school calendar. Today, we formally invest the newly appointed school council members with power and authority, bearing in mind that the students are the pioneers of all the values and principles that the school stands for proudly. We at Ruby Park Public School believe that it is extremely important to nurture our children with a sense of self-respect and discipline, honesty, integrity, and humility so that they flourish as individuals as well as competent team members while upholding the school motto of achieving excellence together. We believe in fostering our children into responsible and humane citizens who will bring out a difference in today's world with a striking demeanor. I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to you all, dear parents, for your unwavering faith in all our endeavors. We thank you for taking out time from your busy schedule to be present here today for the investiture ceremony, which is also the first formal event for the session 2024-25. May the force be with each one of us. Thank you all once again.
Thank you, ma'am, for your words of encouragement.
Flags, which are seen as symbols of solidarity, hold the incredible power to unify people. The office bearers, led by the head boy and the head girl, along with the house captains, carry the school flag and the respective house flags that embody extreme honor, representing the hopes and aspirations of each and every pupil of Ruby Park Public School. factors in guiding pupils towards their highest potential. May we now request Principal Ma'am to officially induct the council members by presenting them with the badges which will serve as testaments to identify their diversified flair, promulgate a lifelong commitment to the cause, and act as a motivator for the holistic development of the individual as well as the society at large. Ma'am, please. The contingent of the Chenab House is led by the captain Aryansh Kumar Datta. Their motto is aspire, attempt, succeed. The captain of the Chenab House, Aryansh Kumar Datta. He is followed by the prefects of class 5, Hashur Chaudhary, Oishi Banerjee, Class 6 prefects, Damya Chaturvedi, Priyal Banerjee, Class 7 prefects, Tanisha Nopani, Ananya Jha, Class 8 prefects, Swayambhu Sahu, Rini Sinha, Class 9 prefects, Shagnik Shardar, Aryan Mondol, Class 10 prefects, Smith Ghosh, Prithvisha Das, Class 11 prefects, Shrijit Roy, Aurini Sen, the prefects of class 12, Agnivesh Nandan, Roshni Ghosh. The Vice Captains, Akriti Nishtha. Sayana Kanishka.
The Ganga House follows next. Their motto is determination, dedication, perseverance. The Ganga House is being led by their captain, Shalona Ghosh. Ganga House, Shalona Ghosh. We have the prefects of class 5, Ayush Hajra. Chakraborty. Class 6 prefects Paulami Das, Datta. Class 7 prefects Samarth Kumar, Anindita Datta. Class 8 prefects Rafiuzzaman Faridi, Atmaja Saima Bose Datta. Class 9 prefects Shatuki Dev. Due to some emergency, he is not present with us. Orko Datta. Class 10 prefects Shoptik Datta. Raya Hajra. Class 11 prefects Kshitij Maurya. Rajni Haldar. The Vice Captains, Ripesh Raut, and Riddhi Verma. Up next, we have the Kaveri House. Their motto is Soar with Pride. The contingent is led by the captain of the Kaveri House, Anushka Saha. The captain of the Kaveri House, Anushka Saha. We have the prefects of class 5, Huzaifa Farhan, Sampurna Das, class 6 prefects, Vidya Banerjee, Oishani De, class 7 prefects, Debaruti Das, Rolly Singh, class 8 prefects, Aditya Das, Vanshika Singh, class 9 prefects, Advit Chavan, Akshita Murugan, class 10 prefect, Ryan Bhattacharya, Oli Mistry, class 11 prefects, Sampurna Banerjee, Shruti Ganguly, prefects of class 12, Siddhantu Banerjee. Due to some emergency, he is not present here. Juhi Ghosh.
we have the Teesta House. Their motto is dream it, believe it, achieve it. The contingent is led by the captain of the Teesta House, Parthiva Sinha. The captain of the Teesta House, Parthiva Sinha. He is immediately followed by the prefects of class 5, Kushan Paroi. Prabnoor. Class 6 prefect, Akarsh Srivastava. Tashin Atika Aziz. Class 7 prefects, Akshita Singh. Unfortunately, due to some emergency, she is not present with us. Sudiksha Chaudhary. Class 8 prefects, Arunangshu Rudra. Advik Sharma. Class 9 prefects, Mohammad Danish. Rajnandini Mukherjee. Class 10 prefects, Vivan Ghosh. Mannat Prasad. Class 11 prefects, Shauronil Shah. Paulomi Chakraborty. Followed by the prefects of class 12, Onnesha Modo. Shayantini Datta. The vice captains, Roshan Pati. Anjali Pradeep.
Our school appointees are marching ahead with their head held high. They are led by the vice sports captains Aditya Roy and Sidda Ghazi. The vice sports captains Aditya Roy and Sidda Ghazi. Followed by the sports captains Nafiz Ahmed and Itisha Barwa. The vice head girls Ayushmita Banerjee and Divyashri Majumdar. The vice head boys Kishore Ghosh and Shoujanno Shordar. Junior head boy Jasraj Singh Sembhi. And junior head girl Shoheli Bondopadhyay. The head girl Riddhima Das. And the head boy Shreyan Das Gupta. An oath is a public pledge confirming compliance of one's duties with the promise of upholding the dignity of the post, with utmost integrity and responsibility. May we request our respected Principal Ma'am to administer the oath for our newly elected members of the Student Council. Ma'am, please.
The Student Council members of Ruby Park Public School do hereby pledge that we will perform our duties diligently, place service before self, and act fairly, without any bias or favoritism. We commit ourselves to enchanting the legacy of our beloved school, will never bring disgrace by any act of dishonesty or cowardice, will be fearless and always strive for what is right. We will uphold loyalty to the traditions and ethos of our school, will protect the ideals and sacred values of Ruby Park Public School, both alone and with many. We affirm that at all times we will serve as a role model and leader, uphold, promote, and honor the faith and trust reposed in us, and will work selflessly for the glory of our school.
Thank you, ma'am.
That brings us to the end of this splendid event. We extend a note of thanks to Principal Ma'am, Mrs. Moushumi Mohapatra, for guiding us and helping us push our limits. We extend a heartfelt gratitude to you parents for your unwavering faith in us. Thank you for your presence. Thanks are due to our teachers, admin staff who ensure that we always put up our best. Special thanks to the support staff without whose help no program can ever be a success. A big thanks to each and every seen and unseen hand that have left no stone unturned in making today's day a success.
May I now request all to kindly rise for the national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंग विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तब जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 जय